The change from G to C can be made easier by shifting 2 fingers across. The 2 fingers that I'm talking about are the 2nd finger and the 3rd finger. On the G chord, we've got the 2nd finger at the 2nd fret of the A string, and we've got the 3rd finger at the 3rd fret of the 6th string, the low E string. We also have the 4th finger on the 1st string at the 3rd fret. Now with the C chord, the same fingers, the same 2nd and 3rd fingers, all we're doing is we are shifting them across. They're staying at the same frets, but the 3rd finger is going onto the 5th string, the A string, while the 2nd finger is going onto the 2nd fret of the D string. The 4th finger is removed, and we place the 1st finger onto the 1st fret of the B. So these two are at the same frets.